All right now, Mr. Ogor, give y'all time to review because the science test is tomorrow. The science test is tomorrow. Don't do anything else but review right now. I'm going to go back to my desk, put these grades in, all right? Okay, Mr. O. All right, so I'm going to let Shot Asia ask the questions and the rest of the class can answer. So, proceed. Okay, everybody. Heat energy. What's heat energy? What's heat energy? Thermal energy, energy with warmth. Okay, that's good. Everybody got that? Yeah, we got it. Okay. Sound energy. I got it, yo. I got it. Energy from sound waves. Energy from sound waves. Good. Okay. Electrical energy. I got it. I got it. Well, I got it. It's energy from electricity. Okay, remember these are the short versions. There's longer ones, but just for this test, if you know the basics, then you'll get a good grade. Okay? All right. Potential versus kinetic energy. Ooh. Potential energy is stored energy, like a ball on a shelf. And kinetic energy is energy of motion, like a ball rolling down a hill. Good job. All right. Another word for kinetic energy, anybody? Okay, it's like motion. That's your hint. It's like motion. Ooh. Movement. Yeah, okay. Movement. Very good, Jameer. Okay. This one gets harder, guys. Heat transfer methods. Jamil? That's conduction. Conduction is heat transfer through direct contact, like touching a hot stove. Conduction. Wait. Conduction is like conducting through a wire, like movement through a wire, like electricity. I like that. Okay, convection is different from conduction. Convection. I got it. Okay. Go ahead, Rob. Heat transfer through movement of a fluid, like boiling water. Very good. Radiation. Oh, let me do that one too.